The Grand Canyon, a natural wonder beyond compare. When it comes to natural wonders that leave visitors awestruck, the Grand Canyon stands in a league of its own. Located in northern Arizona, the Grand Canyon is a monumental testament to the power of nature, carved over millions of years by the relentless flow of the Colorado River. This UNESCO World Heritage Site stretches 277 miles in length, up to 18 miles in width, and plunges over a mile deep, creating a breathtaking chasm that draws millions of visitors from around the globe every year. The story of the Grand Canyon begins nearly 2 billion years ago with the formation of the Vishnu Schist, some of the oldest exposed rock in the world. Over time, layers of limestone, sandstone, and shale were deposited, each one holding the secrets of Earth's ancient history. The Colorado River, which started carving the canyon approximately 6 million years ago, has exposed these layers, revealing a vivid tapestry of reds, oranges, and browns. Each stratum tells a unique story of ancient seas, desert landscapes, and volcanic activity. But how did the Grand Canyon become so deep? The answer lies in a combination of uplift and erosion. The Colorado Plateau, where the Grand Canyon is situated, experienced significant uplift due to tectonic activity. This uplift increased the gradient of the Colorado River, allowing it to cut through rock layers more effectively. Wind, rain, and ice further contributed to the sculpting of this magnificent landscape. While the Grand Canyon may appear barren at first glance, it is actually a thriving ecosystem with diverse plant and animal life. The varying elevations and microclimates of the canyon support a range of habitats, from desert scrub at lower elevations to coniferous forests at higher altitudes. More than 1,500 plant species, 355 bird species, 91 mammal species, and 47 reptile species call the Grand Canyon home. Iconic animals like the California condor, one of the rarest birds in the world, can be spotted soaring above the cliffs. Mule deer, coyotes, and bighorn sheep roam the rugged terrain, while unique plants like the Grand Canyon prickly pear add splashes of green and pink to the otherwise earthy palette. Long before it became a national park, the Grand Canyon was home to indigenous peoples who revered it as a sacred site. The Havasupai, Hopi, Navajo, and other tribes have deep cultural and spiritual connections to the canyon. For the Havasupai people, who have lived in the area for over 800 years, the canyon is not just a natural wonder but a source of life and sustenance. Visitors can learn about this rich heritage through cultural exhibits, guided tours, and even performances by indigenous artists. The Desert View Watchtower, designed by architect Mary Coulter, offers a glimpse into Native American artistry, featuring murals and designs inspired by the Hopi tribe. The Grand Canyon is more than just a stunning landscape. It is a place of wonder, history, and adventure. Whether you're marveling at the sunrise from the South Rim, hiking to the river's edge, or learning about the cultures that have called this place home, the Grand Canyon promises an experience that stays with you for a lifetime. It is a reminder of the Earth's incredible power and beauty, a natural masterpiece that continues to inspire awe and admiration.